welcome back to my channel, The Weird One. So as you know from the video's title that yes, it's a self-care vlog and I just woke up and brushed my teeth and I'm shooting this video, and I realized that Christmas is around the corner, New Year is around the corner, so why don't I make a self-care vlog and remind you guys that self-care is very important. For me it is, and I talk about self-care a lot. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I love self-caring myself. So yeah, let's get into the video. Let's see how the whole day or the half day of the vlog I will be doing, how it goes, as it is 8:30 in the morning. So let's see how the day goes. Happy watching, guys. So the first thing in the morning I do is, guys, I make my bed, and I love this habit of mine which I have developed because it really helps me to get out of my bed. And then I drink this water in morning. It's just lukewarm water with apple cider vinegar and honey. I saw this in YouTube and my sister also suggested me. It's a weight loss drink. And so sorry, I didn't realize that my hand was blocking the video. Bear with me, guys. Now, in the morning, it's time for a cold shower, which will really wake you up if you are not still woken up. For me, it works like that. And for showering, I use this body wash. And I use a loofah to apply it on my body. It's from Nivea and it's totally organic and it's really foamy and the fragrance is awesome. And then I use this shampoo from L'Oreal Professional Serie Expert. I have been using this shampoo and this hair mask for like 2 to 3 years, and this mask is almost over. It's a golden Kunia hair mask. And after applying shampoo, I wash my hair, and in a semi-dry towel dried hair, I apply this in my scalp and on the roots of my hair, and it really helps my frizzy hair. And as I'm telling you, I'm using it from past 2 to 3 years, so it really does suit my frizzy and curly hair. And then I apply a serum when my hair is almost dried. Again, to prevent frizzy hair because my hair is very much frizzy. And then I use this body lotion from Lotus. I think it is an awesome product again. And then I use this roll-on from Nivea for my underarms. I have recently started using it from past 4 to 5 months. Then it's time for breakfast, and whenever I make breakfast, I try to do in a quick or easy way. I eat granola, oats, or bread, or bread and eggs. And I didn't like Nutella for the first time, but then slowly and gradually, I didn't know why, but I started liking it, and I eat a lot nowadays, bread and Nutella. So now it's time for skincare, and I don't do a lot of things for skincare, but yeah, normal routine that as I am applying a face wash. This is a neem foaming face wash from Himalaya. Again, I'm using it from 2 years and it really suits my skin, cleanses my skin, removes the dirt, and I apply it and then massage it for 2 to 3 minutes and then wash it with cold water. And I don't easily switch to new products because my skin is very sensitive and these products are well suited to my skin. And here I am applying a neem face pack from Himalaya, and I bought a sachet because I use it occasionally. Very rare I use a scrub or face pack over my skin, and I decided it to do today. And sorry for such a dramatic transition. Then as it's winter season, I'm applying a Nivea moisturizer. Before I used a Cetaphil one, but as season changed, I switched to Nivea moisturizer. And then I'm applying a lip balm for my lips. So it's evening time, guys, and I got ready and I went for a brisk walk in my society. We have a walk place, and I went for an evening walk. And then I sat down for a while to get fresh air. I listened to some music and I enjoyed there. Then I came back home and I decided to make my nails. So I filed my nails, and here I am applying a crimson. As it's Christmas, so I decided to apply this red nail polish. I usually don't use such bright colors, and then tried to do a nail art with using a silver nail paint. And then it's night time, so it's time for night skincare routine. So I thought it's a self-care vlog, so let's apply these nose strips. These are used for removing dirt and to remove blackheads. So I applied hot water because it won't stick in a dry skin, and then I applied it and waited for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then I'm removing it. And let me tell you guys, this is the most painful part I experience. But yeah, it cleans my face and removes the blackheads. And then at night, the skincare routine is pretty much same, but I use this under eye cream from McCaffeine. And then again, I apply this moisturizer, and after that I apply a lip balm, and that's it for my night skin routine. As so before going to sleep, I use this 5-minute guided meditation from YouTube and do meditation for 5 minutes. It really helps me to go to bed and sleep well. So I hope you guys also can try this out. Hey guys, so I hope you like that vlog of self-care. That's pretty much all I do for taking care of myself, and this vlog was a reminder to you guys to take care of yourselves, and I hope you liked the vlog. If you did, then like, share, comment, and if you're a new viewer, then do subscribe to my channel, and lots of love, and once again, Merry Christmas in advance. Bye bye.